here at the Burley RSL. Let's have a look at their defibrillator now.
Okay, so it's super important to make sure that you check your pads and battery on your defibrillator at least once a month to make sure that it's in good condition. So I'm here at the Burley Heads RSL and they've just let us know that their defibrillator is coming up with a symbol on it. This is one of the older CR Plus devices to replace the pads and battery unit in here. So it's good to check this. I'm going to do this today as a local service to make sure that we're on track with our defibrillator.
Here's our monthly defibrillator checklist to ensure your defibrillator is in good working condition. The key checks are the expiry date on the battery and pads, and to make sure it's ready to go with the indicator on the defibrillator that says so. So check these things and your defibrillator is compliant and of course ready to go in an emergency. If you need any more information about defibrillators, contact the experts at First Aid, Accident and Emergency.